what's up, what's happened, what's poppin'. So I'll be showing y'all how I pre-poo my hair for extra moisture and less shedding in the winter and fall months. So all I used was an applicator bottle, an aloe vera leaf, olive oil, a container, and a cheesecloth. So I just began by cutting off pieces of the aloe vera leaf, and I used two pieces of it, and then I just went ahead and cut off the sides. And y'all, do not be like me, cut on a cutting board or a plate, because I know y'all see those scratches on my counter. I just hate dirtying up extra dishes. So then I did end up switching it over to my bowl and just using my bowl to cut my leaf, get the gel out of it. And y'all, do not mind my nails. I did just take off my acrylic nails and it damaged my thumbs mainly, which I will probably not wear acrylics for a while, because my nails, they're like naturally healthy and strong and they grow long quickly, so I'll probably just wear those naturally. But yeah, so I'll just go ahead and get the gel out of the leaves, and then once I do that, then I'll go ahead and transfer the gel over to a blender and add some olive oil and then blend it into a watery consistency. And then once I do that, then I'll go ahead and strain it using a cheesecloth. And you want to layer it so there is no chunks or anything that falls through. Okay, y'all, so I like my aloe to be watery just because I feel like residue is always left in my hair if I use it like a gel or just straight from the leaf. So this way works perfectly for me and my hair. So once I strain it, then I will fill up my applicator bottle with it and then just prepare my hair to apply it. Okay, y'all, so this is what we're working with. This has been my hair for the past week. I literally have not touched it since my last wash day. It's just been a crazy week. My hair is super crusty and dry. Like, there is no moisture in sight. But yeah, we about to go ahead and put some moisture back into this thing. So I will just go ahead and section my hair off into 4 sections. And then y'all, I am planning on cutting my hair for my birthday. Doing like a mini chop, not a big chop, but a mini chop. But we'll see how that goes, because if y'all see right here, this is it right here. I know y'all see how the back of my hair is looking like. It's a no-no. But yeah, so I section my hair off into 4 sections, and then I'll go ahead and spray some water onto my hair. And this section was actually kind of big, so I did split that off into another section. And then once I got my hair damp, I did use warm water, y'all. So once I got my hair damp, then I did go in with my solution and apply that to my scalp and work that into my scalp, massage that in. And then I applied it to the lengths of my hair and to the ends of my hair. And then I like to finger detangle at first just to reduce any further breakage or any shedding. This is key if you guys do not want extra hair falling out of your head. Okay, so I finger detangle first, and then I'll go in with my detangling brush, detangle a little bit, and then I'll apply just a little more of that solution and then just twist my hair up, and then I'll just do this for the rest of my hair. Okay, y'all, so I really love using the aloe and olive oil combo together just because it makes my hair super, super soft. Like y'all can see my hands gliding through my hair. It also adds shine, moisture, reduces shedding, soothes itchy scalp, reduces dandruff, and promotes hair growth, which is a plus, and I ain't mad at it. So once I apply the Prepoo to my hair, then I will put on a plastic cap and actually do sleep in it just to get the full benefits of the treatment. And then the next day, you guys can definitely see, like, especially down the lengths of my hair, it really soaked up that treatment. And then I will just go ahead and rinse it out of my hair, and you guys can see just how shiny my hair is. It did a complete 360 from the day before. But if you guys want to see how my wash day is after pre-pooing, then give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share, and definitely subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.